Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, The Mutual Fund Guys, where we only talk about mutual funds. I'm Samir and across is Mahesh. Both Mahesh and I are partners at AMS Investments, which is a mutual fund distribution company based out of Mumbai. Okay, so Mahesh, I want to jump right into today's topic. What does 1 lakh per month savings do for you in the long run? Now, I've chosen 1 lakh because it's a simple number. It's a relatable number. For some people, it might be too less. For some people, it might be too much. You can adjust your number based on the final output that we are going to be discussing. So let's take 1 lakh rupees per month of savings and you invest 1 lakh rupees per month over a period of 10 years. Okay, so every month 1 lakh and you invest it in a well-diversified equity mutual fund. Now, in the past, Mahesh, a well-diversified equity mutual funds have typically given on average around 11.5% returns. So let's not get into assumptions. Let's not forecast future returns, but let's go by the historical returns of 11.5%. So let's say that the same continues for the next 10 years. Your 1 lakh rupees savings per month invested in a well-diversified equity mutual funds will, at the end of 10 years, yield you a corpus of 2.25 crores. Now, that seems like some people might think it's not a very substantial number. For others, it might be a substantial number. The point is, if you continue with an SIP journey for just an additional 5 years, okay, so instead of 10 years, now you're doing SIPs for 15 years. Yeah. So in additional 5 years, now that corpus that you get at the end of 15 years is 4.8 crores. All right. So it took a long time for you to get to that 2 crore mark. But after that 2 crore mark, the money itself starts to go a bit berserk. The money starts to get its own personality, as I call it. And within 15 years, you have garnered a corpus of 4.8 crores. Now, to make the point even further, let's say that you continue for an additional 5 more years. Your total investment period now is 20 years. Now that number at the end of 20 years actually becomes 9.3 crores. And that's a substantial amount of money for anybody, right? Now, you can keep doing these iterations over and over again. But for me, the really interesting part is that if you are in your 30s, for example, and you happen to save 1 lakh rupees a month and you do this SIP route for 30 years, can you imagine what your corpus size would be at the end of 30 years?
Yeah, around 20 or so.
39 crore rupees. Okay, it's a substantial number, and actually it's 31 crore rupees. Sorry, my mistake. Imagine, people keep saying, "Oh, I'm in my 30s or in my 35s. It's too late for me to invest," but it's not really too late. The power of compounding really starts to work towards the later stages
of the journey,
right? We gave this example to tell people it doesn't matter how old you are. You can be in your 40s, you can be in your 50s also. You can get to serious wealth creation if you stick to the path of SIPs and stick to the path of equity investing. So we hope you like this video and we hope to come up with more videos like this in the future. Till then, thank you for watching.
Bye.